Alright guys, if you have a low conversion rate and you have tried all sorts of different tactics and tips and tricks and it doesn't really make any difference, so you're struggling so hard to scale your Facebook ads, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your conversion rate in only 60 minutes. And this 4-step framework that I'm going to cover is something that the best brands are using, such as Lululemon, Obvi, Kylie Cosmetics. This is something that we use for our 7 and 8-figure clients as well. So if you implement these 4 things, I can guarantee that you will boost your conversion rate, so you'll be able to scale much more profitably. So we're going to cover 4 of these things, and each of the things will be a question that you will analyze your store. And if your answer is no, or you're not certain about it, then you should fix that thing and it will make the difference for your conversion rate. The first thing that we have here is your landing page consistent with your ad. So let's cover what I actually mean by that and why this is crucial. To this example, we have Lululemon. I will open their ad on the Facebook. This is their Facebook ad, as you can see. And when your customers see your Facebook ad, when it gets their attention and they want to explore more about their product, they click on your ad and they land on your page. If your page is not consistent with the ad that they saw on the Facebook, what happens is that they enter the state of mind which is called the cognitive dissonance. So they saw your ad, they saw some products, some model, some color, or even some style on your Facebook ad, and when they land on your page, they don't see that same style, same model, same product, same offer. And for that reason, in their mind, it just causes that bug. They're just unsure what the hell is happening. I expected to see something else, and I don't see this thing when I have landed on this page. So what they do, they just abandon your page and go back to their social media. So in this example, you can see we have this ad here, and when you click on it, this is the landing page where you end. You have literally the same models, you have the same colors, you have the same style, you have the same products. So now they're 100% matching that expectation of their visitors once they have clicked on this ad. This is crucial, and if you're not matching this expectation, you will see in your Google Analytics that you have a very high bounce rate, which means that your visitors' expectations are not met and they're just bouncing right when they land. So very important thing, go through your ad, go through your landing page and see if these two work in synergy. Is there a congruence between these two elements? And if you establish that congruence, you will achieve that first step where your visitors will start engaging with your landing page, and when they engage, they actually have the chance to buy your product. So very crucial thing, and I highly recommend you to check if this is actually true for your store. The next thing that we have here is the second step that we have is, does your above the fold build the trust? So let's see why this is crucial if you want to make the most out of your conversion rate. In this example, we have this brand here. I have landed on their product page. So the thing is that when your visitors land on your product page and you're above the fold section, which is the first section, the first thing after you have achieved that consistency is that on their mind, they think, can I actually trust this brand? So they did some research and found that only in a few milliseconds, your visitors decide if they're going to trust you or not. And as you guess, if they don't trust you, they will not even consider buying your product, even if it's highly beneficial for themselves. So we have that primal part of the brain that whenever we see something, we only have a few milliseconds in our brain to determine if we are going to trust this person, trust this brand or not. So this is why in this first section, on the above the fold section, it is so crucial to establish that trust and make them trust you so they start engaging and exploring your products. So what is the thing that actually builds that trust so that when they land, they feel the trust and therefore they start considering your product? The thing that helps you the most with this thing is this social proof. And this again ties back to our primal brain. So when we see that other people trust some person or a brand or a company or whatever, we tend to trust them more as well. And this is especially true if they're seeing something for the first time. So for that reason, in your above the fold section, you want to show that other people trust you. You want to show them that you're a credible brand. And for that reason, in those few milliseconds, they will start trusting you as well. So in this example, you can see immediately when the visitor lands on this product page on the left side, they can see some of the transformation. They can see the person putting this product on their face. We have the social proof here, a star rating widget here, which is, by the way, underlined, which means that if you click it, you're going to scroll down and see all the other reviews as well. And as well, one very important thing is that they have this just below the add to bag button, which says our products in action. So now you can click on any of this. Is the UGC style. You can see how other people are using this product, achieving that benefit that these visitors want to achieve as well. So very important thing, ask yourself in your about default section, are you showing that other people trust you? Are you showing that you're a credible brand? Because if you don't, in those few milliseconds that your customers have to decide if they trust you or not, they will decide that they don't trust you. And for that reason, you will just lose that sale. And anytime they see your ad, they will still have that impression that they don't trust you. And it's going to be way harder to rebuild that trust again with them later on. And by the way, if you'd like me to audit your store and to give you some advices on what you can do right now to boost your conversion rate, fulfill the form in the link in the description and I will give you a personalized audit for your case on all things you can do right now to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line. Now, the third thing that we have here, and this is something that is crucial once you establish that trust and you want to make them act, you want to make them buy your product, is it clear how your product will benefit them? So let's see this brand that is really killing it when it comes to how they're emphasizing the benefit, that transformation, so that the visitors can immediately feel and see what are they going to get with their products. So in this example, we have the obvious, and on the above the fold section, you can see the headline that stands out: 3 times faster to slim. So it immediately tells you that this thing is going to speed up your weight loss and therefore you're going to get slimmer in a faster way. So in this example, we have this headline, then we have the images of the transformations here, here, and here. Then we have a very good sub-headline: turbocharge your weight loss with 3 times speed. Everything, so it communicates straight up what is the benefit that their customers are going to achieve. Now, they could say that they have some ingredients that are going to speed up all the things, but the thing is that your visitor don't care about all these ingredients. They only care about the benefit that they will achieve if they give you their money. So for that reason, if you don't state obviously what is the thing that your customers are going to get with your product once they give you their money, they're not going to buy from you because they don't care and they don't understand what's in it for them. Our brains are working like that we're constantly scanning what we will get, what's the benefit of this, what's the benefit of that. And if you're a great marketer, you will make it very obvious, clear, and in an easy to digest way, what is that obvious benefit that your customer is going to get. So here, when you scroll down, immediately they have some stats that probably not a lot of people read, but when you have these stats, it makes you credible. Then right beside it, we have these benefits that the customer is going to get. And then the next section, which is crucial section, we have the proof. We have the other customers that have achieved this same benefit that the viewer want to achieve as well. So now the customer is literally, I understand what I'm going to get. I see some stats, they're a credible brand. I see more benefits. And now I see other people that have achieved this transformation themselves. So now I have really no reason not to trust this brand. I want to lose weight. I will buy this product and I will achieve this transformation as well. So ask yourself in your product page, on your landing page, wherever you are driving your traffic, are you stating clearly what is the benefit that your customers are going to get once they give you their money? If it's not clear, your customers don't care about your product. They will not give you money for no reason. So make sure that you state that benefit and more people will buy from you. Now, the third thing, and you will be surprised how many people make this mistake and for that reason they lose the conversion, even though they have all these previous steps in place. And this step is easy to place the order. So even if you're consistent with your ad, even if your customers trust you, even if you show the benefit that they're going to get, if you make them struggle to place the order with some things that we're going to cover, then they will not place the order and they will just abandon the process and go back to the social media. This is very important thing because before they get on your product page, they have the experience with the Instagram or the TikTok. And that whole experience with Instagram or TikTok is super easy and there's no frictions. You just have to use your finger to swipe up. And the content that performs the best on these platforms is also very easy to digest. And for that reason, your whole experience on your website have to be easy as well. Let's see one of the best brands, how they are making their experience as easy as possible. So in this example, we have the Kylo Cosmetics, and when you land on this product page, you can see how it is super easy to digest. You don't have too many colors, you don't have too many buttons, you don't have too many text. When you land here, the cognitive friction is very low, so that makes their customers just do whatever they want on their product page. So in this example, you see they have more variants, and for each variant, they have these color swatches that whenever you click on it, you can see how it looks live. And for that reason, it just maximizes that clarity. So the customer is 100% sure how this color will look on their lips, right? And whenever this customer is ready to add this product to the cart, when you zoom out and look at the whole product page, you can see how this add to cart just stands out. So whenever they are ready to proceed on placing the order, they don't have to wonder where should I click, what should I do. They just know that they have this button here that stands out and they can click on it and they get their cart drawer. Now their cart drawer also super easy to use. We have something that's here for free. Then you have what products are added to the cart. And then once again, we have the same color of the button as the add to cart. So now it's much more easier for them to proceed with their customer journey. The thing is that I have seen a lot of the stores where they have a one color of the add to cart. Then when they go to the cart drawer, there's another color here. And then in the checkout, that's sometimes even a third color. And this causes a huge confusion to your customers because they don't expect to see 3 different buttons. They want just one because it's only one flow on placing the order. And for that reason, that is causing a drop off in their customer journey. So ask yourself when you are on your landing page, is it too cluttered? Is it not clear? Is there a button that stands out and that they can find it whenever they are ready to proceed on placing the order? Is your cart drawer cluttered? In my last video, I have audited one of the store that has super cluttered cart drawer that is causing a huge drop off. And if you make sure that everything is clean, easy to use, buttons are easy to find, there are not any broken elements, you will get to increase your conversion rate because whenever your customer is ready to buy from you, they will have that straight line and it's just going to make the whole experience better and more people will just buy more from you. So that's it for this video. If you'd like me to audit your store, to give you advices on what you can do right now to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line, fulfill the form in the link in the description and I will give you a personalized audit for your case on what you can do right now to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line. And if you like this video, you can watch this next playlist in which I break down all these successful stores and what you can take for them and apply to yours in order to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line.